Assalamu alaikum. Here are 3 boring services that you can start selling online. And the nice thing is that we're going to use Claude Fable to do most of the work for us. A lot of people, when they mention Claude, they talk about how to build and launch a SaaS application, market it, and make money online like this. Meanwhile, this is boring systems that I've sold where I got businesses to pay us $2,500 and more. You can see some receipts here. I mean, this one's a little bit smaller, but this one was, I could just open it, $3,600 and $3,150. So I'm going to show you the 3 systems. They're not new. I've been selling these for the past 2 years. So I'll walk you through how Claude actually makes it a lot easier to deliver them now. Just to understand my background, I come from Ingushetia, from the mountains. This is where Chechen and Dagestan as well is, if you guys are familiar with this region. I got a scholarship to study at UCLA, and I worked for 5 years at different tech startups in LA and New York. This was in my office. This was the view from my window. And then 2 years ago, I quit my job to pursue AI. I started 3 companies in the meantime, and my last company, Ummah Accelerator, we have helped other brothers generate $960,000 of tracked revenue. It's close to $1 million. Brothers like Riaz here who landed $10,000, like Ziad here who landed $6,000 deal, like Yusuf here who landed a $2,000 per month retainer, Tamer here who landed a $7,000 per month retainer, Ak Mohammed here, $6,500 deals landed. And our mission is to help 1,000 of you guys here watching this video, inshallah, start your own businesses. And here, this video is going to be the playbook to start yours. I'm going to share 3 systems. I'll show you what to charge, what to sell, and exactly how you can use Claude to deliver them. Now, let's go with system number 1. This is going to be an AI audit. This is a system that you can sell for around $2,500, sometimes more even. And the nice thing is that this is going to lead very nicely into solution number 2 that I'm going to cover. So the audit is going to be something that we can use to later upsell another more expensive service. A proof of this is right here. So I actually made a full video breaking down this deal that we landed for an audit. I show you the videos, or like I show you like the sales calls, the process of exactly how we delivered it. This was the receipt payment from the client. And what you can charge typically for audits is usually between $2,000 and $5,000. This is an audit that is going to take a few weeks to do. When I say a few weeks, it's not a few weeks full time. So like most of the brothers that we coach, they have full-time jobs. They can only work in the evenings, around 2 hours a day. So this is, when I say 2 weeks, it counts on that you're working part-time on it. You can also sell a workshop. So you can either sell an audit, or you can sell a workshop after, or you can sell both together as well. That's also doable. And the idea is that you start with a one-time audit. Potentially, you can upsell them workshop, and then you upsell them an implementation, like a monthly retainer of whatever you have identified in the audit. The goal of the audit is not just to sell them information, is to sell them, listen, you have this leakage here, you have this problem in your business, and this is exactly how we can solve it. So naturally, it leads you to sell them something after this. Now, when I say AI audit, I'm talking to you, right? So to you, I'm going to say AI audit so you understand that. To a business owner who is non-technical, they don't know anything about AI, we're not going to call it an AI audit. We're going to call it something that makes sense for their business, like a 30-day plan to automate your intake process if it's a law firm, for example. So, or like a leakage fix, like you tell them, listen, I'm going to come in your business, I'm going to analyze all the leakages there or the place where you're losing money, and I'll give you the top 3 ranked and exactly how to solve it. Because in AI audit, they don't understand what that means. You have to explain it to them. So you can do a full audit of their operations, their tools. You can rank different opportunities of AI. And you can also give them a hands-on workshop at the end. Now, how we're going to use Claude to deliver on it, right? That's the big thing. Like, how can Claude help us? There's 2, you see, there's little 2 like toggles that I've created for you. One is the door opener that is going to help us get the deal. And the second one is the actual paid audit. So for the door opener, this is how it works. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go on Claude. I'm going to show you a live example right now. But you're going to give their website. You're going to give the clients reviews, Google Maps, maybe information about competitors. And you're going to ask to generate a 1-page report. And then you're going to tell the client if they want it for free. What I would actually do is I would first reach out to the business. And I would tell, listen, I can find 3 places where you're losing money right now. If they reply to me, I know I have an actual lead in front of me. I'm going to go on Claude, scan the website, do essentially the process that I'm going to tell you. I'm going to show you in a bit. And then just give them this report and ask them to jump on a call where I can actually sell the real audit. So I'm going to show you an example here. So I was on Google Maps. So I'm in New York here in Brooklyn. I went here and I just wrote like a Brooklyn law firm. And I found this law firm, right? They have 21 reviews, which is not that high for especially an area like New York. And they don't have a great website, let's say. So if I open their website here, and my goal is to sell them something, right? There's a lot of things we can sell, but we're going to start with an audit. This is their website. So I went here on Claude, I picked like the Fable 5 model, and I literally just said this: run an AI agency. I want to sell an AI audit to law firms, create a 1-page report, right? Where that you show them 3 places where they're losing money. And I tell it, analyze the website, analyze the Google Maps review, compare it to competitors, and make it simple and easy to read for my client. So I did the research and it found this. There's three places where right now they have problems. Number one, the call now button is wrong. Like, they have the wrong number here. It's like an LA number. The next thing is that there's legal mistakes actually inside of the website itself, right? Where it says that Brooklyn is a fault-based state when Brooklyn is not a state actually. And then they have competitors. They analyze like based on competitors, what competitors have that these guys don't have. This was generated in one-shot prompt. This is a PDF ready. Now, this is the door opener, but if you actually land the deal, this is what you do. So here, what you can do is literally you give Claude access to all their files, their SOPs, tools that you need to do this analysis. Obviously, make sure that whatever you give access to Claude, it has to be data that is not confidential. It's not sensitive information, right? If you have sensitive information, you have to remove it completely. So you can still give information to Claude about the business, but just make sure to remove the names, make sure to remove anything that is confidential that you're not allowed to use. So only put information that you're allowed to use inside of Claude. And then you ask it for industry benchmarks, competitor gaps, rank opportunities based on ROI, and create a roadmap. This is going to do a lot of the work for you, a lot of the research work that you've been spending hours doing. Now this can do it for you more easily. And the problem that this solves is that most businesses, they know that they need to use AI. They know their business is not optimal. They know they have leakages, but they don't know where to start. They're busy actually running their business. And they look for competitors. They look what other people are doing. They look for new technology, news in the market. They think, man, maybe one day AI is going to replace my whole business. They don't know what to do. This is where you come in, right? And you can tell them, listen, like you're wasting time now. Competitors are going ahead of you. I can help you. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. This is what the audit solves. And now let me be clear about one thing before we dive deeper into the next systems. Most people, when they try to sell AI, they say just something like, oh, I do AI automation. I sell AI agents. The problem is that they speak to businesses that are non-technical. They have no idea what that means. Like it's so blurry to them that they're not gonna even be interested to actually want to work with you, because like who will pay a few $1,000s for something they don't understand? Doesn't make any sense. So instead, what you do is you have to show a business owner that if they spend X amount of money, they get Y amount of money back. That's it. So the whole thing we're gonna focus on, the whole rule we're gonna use is if a business owner can look at it and they can say, okay, if I'm gonna spend X amount of money on this, I'm gonna get Y return on it, then I can go ahead with this. If you're interested, by the way, in starting a business from scratch, so if you want to know which niche to pick, you want to know how to set it up, how to get clients and everything, I'm hosting a free class. It's on ummahaccelerator.com/masterclass. It's completely free. You can join. You don't have to buy anything from us. You can attend. You're going to learn a lot of free stuff. And then we're going to give some guides at the end as well, inshallah. So let's go into system number 2. This is an email lead generation system. So the nice thing about the system is you can sell it on a monthly retainer, right? And I actually made a full video as well on my channel where you can see how we sold how we implemented a system like this and how this works in practice. Now, what do you charge for this? You can charge $2,000 per month on a 3-month commitment, or you can charge a lower base fee, but a commission per appointment booked. So per lead that you generated for them. So typically like $1,000 per month and then $250 per appointment booked. You can also upsell them other things like LinkedIn or Instagram GM generation. You can add at least $500 to $1,000 per month to add this on top of the emails. So in practice, what you're doing for them is you essentially send emails to their ideal customer profile every day. So every day you tell them, listen, I'm going to send like 500 customized, personalized emails per day on your behalf to potential clients. And you set up the infrastructure for them, you manage the campaigns, you manage the replies, you test different messaging, you A/B test it. And you can sell this to usually B2B businesses. So like marketing agencies, recruiters, business coaches, consultants, SaaS companies, IT consultants, etc. If you want to set it up with Claude, this is how it's going to work. So you tell Claude that you want to build a campaign. Claude is going to write the messages and the follow-ups. I'm going to show you in a bit like how to do this. You're going to connect Claude to Instantly via their MCP. So it's basically an integration between your Claude and the tool that is going to be sending the emails. And you can get the leads using a tool like Apollo and Clay. And then you just run the campaign and you monitor, right? And the nice thing is that you can also, once you start running the campaign, you can give the insights to Claude so Claude can keep improving the campaign. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a tool like Instantly. Instantly is a very popular tool to help you set up your email outreach campaigns. So you create an account there, you go into settings, you go here in integrations, then you go in API keys. Instead of API keys, you click on this button, create an API key, and you write a name like Claude Fable, for example, and then you pick like some scopes for what is going to have access to, and you create the key. It's going to give you an actual unique code that is for you. Once you have this, you see here, basically like there's an instruction on Instantly documentation, how to set up their MCP server. It's super easy. We did already step 1, which is creating the key. The other step is that you're going to go into Claude, into the application, and you're going to go into here, basically. You're going to go in the connectors. In the settings, you're going to go into connectors, and you're going to click here on the plus sign to add a custom connector. We're going to add here a custom connector, and here you just add the name right instantly. I already have it. And what you're going to do is, you see right here, they have the URL for you. So you're going to copy this URL and you're going to paste it here and obviously replace it with the API key that we had created in the earlier screen inside of instantly. And then you just create ad, and that's it. From that moment, you have your campaign, you have Claude that has access to instantly. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to show you an example right here. So I took a random company, right? This is in New York, there is like a staffing company. And I told Claude, like, can you write instantly optimized campaigns? So write the first email, the follow-up, and optimize for response rates, be creative, follow best practices, and add it to my instantly account after you're done. So this is what it's doing. It's actually wrote the first message, it wrote the second message, and then it wrote the next follow-ups. And so here basically just asking for approval before adding it. So I'm going to say, yes, I approve. Try again. I'm going to do always allow. And then it's going to start creating the campaign for me. Okay, perfect. So the campaign is now live on instantly. So I'm going to open my account. So this is the campaign that I has created. ABS, you see ABS Staffing, New York Tech Client Solutions, etc. And I'm going to look into the sequence. So perfect. Right here, it just added the sequence that we created, right? This was the first email. This is the follow-up, etc. And I can essentially keep tweaking and keep giving it directions on, like, I can say, oh, no, A/B test the different messages. I want you to help script leads for me and add them. So here, Claude becomes the brain that helps you run this. Even if you have never done a cold email campaign before, Claude is going to help you and guide you throughout the process. Now, the problem that you essentially solve for these businesses is a lot of B2B businesses, they have grown on referrals. And one day those referrals, they stop. And so the business owners start to panic, right? Their pipeline dries up. They don't have anything to do. They start to worry. They start testing a bunch of random systems, but they have never done like this before. So the revenue is unpredictable. They're worried. They know they need leads and they know they need a reliable system. That's where you come in and you can sell a system like this. System number 3 is voice agents. Now I'm going to show you again, like usual, some proof of selling voice agents. This is what we have sold. This is what our students have sold as well. Yannick here sold a $3,600 voice agent system. He sold after this a $5,500 system. Suhail here sold a $1,000 per month system for a voice agent. So here, what you're going to charge usually is for the setup and 1 month rollout, it's $2,000 to $4,000. And after this, we want to sell them a monthly recurring revenue between $500 and $2,000. The price is going to depend on the volume of phone calls that they have, obviously, and how many integrations, how complex your agent is. The system, what you're trying to do is you want to build an AI that can answer calls 24/7 and book appointments and make sure that they capture leads. A lot of businesses, they have leakage of leads, right? They get phone calls, they don't pick up the phone, and people go to their competitors, they go to somewhere else that they see, like they found on Google Maps, for example. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you capture all those leads, you add them to the CRM, you create follow-up sequences, you make sure that you turn every call into an actual client. That's your goal. So it's not just about the voice agent, it's about turning those calls that are missed right now or they're unoptimized into actual clients that pay the business. And where Claude can actually help is that Claude can access tools like Retail. Retail is a builder of voice agents. It's a tool that you can use. It's a no-code tool. It's actually very easy to use. You can use it to build a voice agent, but Claude can connect to it. You can give it access to the full documentation of Retail so that it reads everything. It becomes an expert at how to build voice agents. And then you can connect it and via MCP, again, same thing as I showed you instantly. With via MCP, you connect it to Retail and you can set up the voice agent. Now, the interesting thing as well on top of this is, you connect it via the MCP. You ask it to build the voice agent, it's going to literally build it inside of your Retail account. So you don't even have to touch it. But after you launch it, this is where the cool thing is. You can actually ask it to analyze the transcripts of the calls. Again, make sure that the information is confidential. Make sure you remove the names and things like this that you're not allowed to add. But add the transcript, like after you have cleaned them up, and analyze how the calls are going, analyze what's going wrong, and every week you keep iterating and fixing the prompts, fixing how the agent works, and really improving. This usually takes hours and hours of analyzing these transcripts and doing them manually. And here you can give it access to Claude and then do it a lot faster for you. The problem that it solves, like how do we justify the price? How do we justify like the return investment for those clients is that here you're going to have a business typically, like if they lose at least 5, 10, 15, 20 sometimes missed calls. And assuming that 5 of them could have been potential clients. And let's say on average clinic, it can be a law firm clinic. Like price here, I have the example, like if it's like a medical clinic, if it's a law firm, it can be a lot more expensive. It can be thousands of dollars of deals. Right? It kind of depends on the business, but you just do the math. And this is an example here. A typical clinic, they might you lose like $2,000 per month just because of the missed appointments. You show them this math, you show them this is basically 1 month of full service for you. So essentially, with 1 weekend, they pay off completely the service that they're paying you for the entire month. That's how we show the math from it. Now, the big question is, which service should you start with? Do you sell voice agents first? Do you sell email agent? Do you sell audits? This is how, if you're starting from zero, how I would choose this. For the audits, if you're already known in an industry, if you have a background in some industry, right? If I don't know, you're a doctor, you're an accountant, you worked in some industry before, you're in tech, but you worked in the education space or whatever it is, here you already have some affinity for one industry. Just pick this, start with this. This is an industry where you have the most connections in, you have the most background, you have the most credibility. It's easier for you to understand those clients. Just start with this. Now, when would you pick email lead generation? So this works for B2B companies. This is like agencies, recruiters, SaaS companies, consultants. This is not for like your local dentist, your local law firm. You cannot do B2B like email marketing with these guys like to get them more clients. So here, if you have access to businesses like this, because X, Y, and Z, they're in your network because you work professional with these types of businesses, it's going to be easier for you to land these clients. And also, if you have an intuition for marketing, for writing copy, you enjoy the numbers, tweaking this, you enjoy doing this part, Claude is going to teach you the mechanics, but it's not going to do everything perfect for you. So you have to be the one actually double checking, monitoring the campaigns, launching new campaigns live every week. And if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead with this. Out of the three, it's the hardest to actually implement, but it's the easiest to sell because you essentially sell them more clients, right? And it's a monthly recurring revenue, which is nice. Now, for voice agents here, this works well if around you there's a lot of local, small, medium-sized businesses like dentists, med spas, physiotherapy, law firms, etc. Local businesses that have a phone that is ringing. Here, this is the most straightforward of the three. You set it up for them in like 1, 2, 3 weeks. You just get it set up. It answers the call. They directly see the value. It's very visual. It's easy to just showcase a little demo even to close them. And you don't need to have like strong marketing instincts. You just need to build the agent, monitor it, and make sure that they're happy with it. So that's why this solution is the most visual. It's also like an easy one to show clients. Now, if you want to work directly with me and my team to scale your business, if you work in a 9 to 5, if you have maybe tried to start online business before it didn't work as well, and you want some guidance, some one-on-one coaching and support, just go on this link right here, ummahaccelerator.com/apply. We're going to review your application. We're going to talk to you. We'll see if there is a right fit. And inshallah, we can start working together. Assalamu alaikum.